It's November the 7th, and it is exactly 7 days after my surgery. And as you can see, the bruises are about completely gone. I am healing up nicely. Eye is still swollen, like I said the day before. It'll take a while for that to go down, and then it'll be able to open. In 4 weeks, I'll meet with my specialist, and we'll get the eye painted to match the other, and I'll have a pretty new eye setting in the left side. Pain is completely gone today. No headaches, no nothing. I really feel much more like myself. I actually got up and fixed my hair and did my makeup and feel more human today. Very, very happy with the outcome so far, and I couldn't thank Dr. Couch at Barnes Retina Institute enough, and all the nurses who took care of me, and the anesthesiologist, and everybody involved so far. I mean, there were some mix-ups with appointments and things that we've straightened out, and directions from the nurses and the doctor, and those were straightened out. But other than that, I'm very pleased, and I want to say thank you to everybody, and I'll keep you updated each day as I get to the process of getting the new eye for the left side. God bless.